be looking at changing out light bulbs and the tail lights of this 2004 Lexus GS 300. You see these two spots right there. You can take a screwdriver, pry those open to get to where you need to unscrew the back of the tail light. As we come in here, we'll see there's two little things right here where you can put a screwdriver in and you can turn them, and then they'll pop loose. And there you go. You pull it out, you can change out any of your brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, and then you just reverse the process, put it all back in. Be good time to switch out and go to like LED lights, more modern and look a lot better. So lastly, it's just taking these right here, popping those back in. Let's get the other one. Put it in like so. Grab these. We'll come in here. Let's see. Pop those in. There's the other one up top. And then you can just turn those to lock them into place. Again, thanks for watching, guys. It's something simple, nothing hard, but I hope that it helps you out.